What is up? It's your girl Dr. Samara, and I am back with a video. Y'all, in this video, unfortunately, this is not good news or anything like that, especially for us US traders. So you guys already know what's going on. I just wanted to update you guys of what's going on. So just to kind of break it down in much simpler terms, a lot of brokers, especially more focused on unregulated brokers. So pretty much Meta Quotes, who is the creator of MT4 and MT5. So they are no longer going to provide for unregulated brokers, especially for people who are in the US. Y'all, it's getting real crazy. This year in general has been really crazy. As y'all already know, I stand behind Henko Trade. I've never had issues with Henko Trade when I first started with them back in the year of 2021. But quite honestly, right now I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Because I don't want to go to no regulated broker at all. Because I am really experience using the leverage of 1 to 500 ratio. When you are looking at these different regulated brokers, it's 1 to 50. And then on top of that, y'all already know that I love my indices, more specifically US 30. So it's just a lot going on right before holidays. As I already mentioned, I typically don't trade around December to begin with, but it's kind of nerve-wracking to know that this is happening right before we start our new year. So if you guys are already aware, Henko Trade, they've already made some next steps as far as going onto a different platform. Now, I don't know this platform, y'all. I've been accustomed to MT4 for quite some time, and it's just nerve-wracking to know that I have to learn another platform just to simply use my broker. It's quite frustrating. I know it's frustrating on you guys' end. But honestly, right now, I think what's best for me would be to just stop trading as of now. Just wait until next year and see how everything just kind of resolves on its own. Like, we can only do so much. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. And I just wanted to come to you guys and just be transparent with y'all because I feel the frustration. I feel the anger behind it. I honestly think right now what will be the best decision for you is figure out what will be the best decision for you. I can't tell you what will be the best decision for you because we are two different people, and we have two different minds. Honestly, if you want to continue on trading with unregulated brokers, go do it. If you want to go and transition to trading with a regulated broker, that is fine too. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break. I'm going to enjoy family time. I'm going to look at this sometime after the holidays, see what is there. Now, if it comes down to it, I will go ahead and learn the new platform of @Trader. I think right now, if you're someone who's trying to consider trading right now, unfortunately, it's not a good time right now. Yeah, it's a lot going on. It's a lot. I'm just in awe. It sucks because I don't have the answer for y'all. All we can do is just simply go based on what Henko Trade is providing, which I am super grateful that they are basically hands on deck with the situation and they're not stopping. The withdrawals are still going. So if you want to make your withdrawal, you can. There's no issue with the funds. There's no issues with that. It's just an issue with MT4. And, you know, with MT4 being the #1 platform that a lot of retail traders use, that can be a huge challenge. And then having to convert to another platform that you don't really know about, you don't really know if they provide the same amount of structure as well as tools that you need to successfully use your strategy on whatever pair. It's a lot to consider. It's a lot to think about. Honestly, this is only affecting US traders. So if you are someone who is outside the States, this shouldn't be affecting you. It's more so the US traders. The US is just, man, they're really doing the most. It's you know, like, yeah, I'm just in awe. I'm just in awe. There's not that many there's not that many regulated brokers that I really like as much because again, the leverage is very, very tight. It's too strict. You can't even trade gold. You can't trade indices. That was the whole purpose of creating these unregulated brokers because of the leverage, because of the flexibility of being able to trade indices. So I don't even remember the last time that I even traded EURUSD, like, because forex pairs in general, y'all already know, like, they move super, super slow. And if you really want to get some money in there, you have to really move your lot size. But if your leverage is 1 to 50 and you don't have that much leadway or wiggle room in your deposit, it's a challenge. That's all I gotta say. So I just wanted to update you all and tell you that I did not stop trading. Okay, we're not going to stop here. This is not going to stop us. Do not panic. What we can do is just see what's going to happen. And if we have to learn a new platform, we're learning it together. And if you decide to go venture off into another unregulated broker before they take them off, because currently one by one they're taking everyone off who is unregulated. The only ones that you guys can see probably is Oanda as well as forex.com on your MT4 search account. But slowly and surely every unregulated broker is going to be gone from the search bar. So this is some information that I just wanted to provide to you all and let you know that Samara is still trading. We're never giving up that skill. We're never giving up that extra income. It's just not going to happen. I will keep you guys updated as far as what I do next. But until then, if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because it is free. And also, if you haven't joined my trading community just yet, go ahead and go join it. We are a community where we just provide all different types of education, keep each other updated on things that is going on, especially with this situation going on. It's definitely just a free, fulfilling community that makes you feel like family. And I hope that, the traders that are within that community is feeling that way. I do provide daily analysis as well as my tip ideas as far as going into the market. With this situation going on, I'm not going to be providing any trade ideas for the rest of December. I'm just going to take a step back. Luckily from the month of November as well as the beginning of December, I was able to tackle down some pips, and I was able to be really successful in profit. So I'm very happy of what I earned this month for the time being. We're just gonna have to start over in 2024. But again, comment down below what are you thinking? What are your plans moving forward? Are you thinking about just letting go forex altogether? Are you willing to kind of ride the wave until we're back on MT4, or are you considering moving to a regulated broker? Like, that's basically the different options we have going on. Do you feel like it's worth it to move to another unregulated broker and that can possibly happen to them? Like, it's a lot. It's a lot to think about. It's a lot to consider. But again, if you are with Henkel Trade, there is no issues with withdrawals. You can take your money out now if you are not feeling comfortable, or you can go ahead and get started with ActTrader. Start understanding that platform. If you are familiar with ActTrader, comment down below. Is it beginner friendly? Is it just friendly altogether? Is it a little bit simplified versus MT4? If you're familiar with that platform, comment down below, y'all. Like, we just gotta help each other as much as we can. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated and let y'all know what my thoughts are. I will be posting more updates in case if anything changes. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great holiday month. Do not let this stop you. Do not let this stop you at all. Okay. Continue doing what you got to do. All right. But other than that, peace, y'all.